Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see punctuations. Mostly we all do many mistakes in this, but today we are going to connect it. 50 punctuation marks with brief explanation. Period indicates the end of the sentence. Comma separates items in a list or clause. Question mark indicate a question. Exclamation mark express strong emotions or emphasize. Colon introduces a list or explanation. Semicolon connects closely related independent clause. Apostrophe indicate possessions or contractions. Quotation mark encloses direct speech or quotations. Parenthesis adds extra information or clarification. Brackets encloses additional information or corrections. Dash indicates a break in thought or additional information. Hyphen connects two words or parts of a word. Ellipsis indicates omitted text or trailing of a thought. Slash indicate alternatives or separate line in a poetry. Ampersand presence and bullet point introduce items in a list. Caret indicates where something shall be inserted. Tilde indicate approximations or a range. Degree symbol indicates temperature and angle. $sign indicates currency. % sign indicates a percentage. @ sign used in email addresses and social media. Section sign refers to specific sections in a document. Pilcrove indicates a new paragraph. Interrobang combines a question mark and exclamation mark. Quotation dash introduce quoted materials. Vertical bar represents R in a list. Backlashes used in computing and coding. Currency symbol indicates specific currencies. Scheduler indicates the pronunciation change. Exponential symbol indicates power in mathematics. Subscript indicates lower placement in maths or chemistry. Superscript indicates high placement in math. And dash connects range like 2010 to 2020. M dash a longer dash used for emphasis. Angle brackets used in coding and math. Obelix indicates division in mathematics. Fraction bar separates numerators and denominators. Solidus indicates the division of fraction. Asterisk indicates a footnote or multiplication. Currency code abbreviations for currencies. Caret used in proofreading to indicate insertion. Section symbol used in legal documents. Dagger indicates a footnote or reference. Single quote encloses quotes within quotes. Double angle quotes used in some languages for quotations. Round brackets used in mathematics to indicate the order of operation. Libraries used in mathematics and programming. Stereotype represents indefinite logic. Roman numerals indicates inoptions in documents. Let me know if you need further explanations on any of this. Thanks for watching the video. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.